This is Michelle from Tesla Semi Creations, testing out my new Ankermake Mc5 printer using the iPhone as the screen. I'm doing a benchy test, and I put it under 75% speed. So let's see how it's going to do. It's doing its first print. I eventually would like to get a little time-lapse camera here so I can do more videos, make it easier. I had a little trouble loading the filament for my first time, but it's a learning experience. It says it's going to take 57 minutes according to the timer. I just put it on 75% mode because I figured my first print, I don't want to rush it. We'll check back in later with some more things. Currently laying down his first layer. Let's check back in a few more minutes. All of a sudden it started speeding up. I know it's going to take a little longer than a regular benchy, but you know, I figured it's fun trying. It's all a learning experience. It's amazing you can do it from your app of your phone. It's going on speeds of 200 milliliters a second, and it's 43 seconds left to go on the print, according to the iPhone. This is what it looks like so far. "30 minutes left of the benchy. Coming along pretty nice. Still at speeds of 200 milliliters a second. Apparently it's printing in fast mode right now. Look at it go pretty good. Oh, it's down to 13 minutes, 11 minutes now, according to my iPhone. Printing up this warp benchy. Looks pretty smooth. My first print on the Ankermake Mc5. About 8 minutes to go. Coming along pretty good. Check back later. It's winding down. Going to my iPhone. 2 minutes left. Looking pretty good. Looks very clean too. No wisps on it or nothing, or no string. I got the file through the Anchor app by typing in Benji and downloading it through the app, and it started to print. Pretty easy. Technology is pretty neat nowadays. We're down to less than a minute. Let it go. I'll zoom in there. I know my camera's not the greatest. I'm doing it on my Android phone, as it's easier for me to save and transfer the files. Apple, come on, smarten up. Get an SD card. Makes life a lot easier when you want to transfer and make videos. And here it is. It says it's done. And here it is. Let's go for extreme close-up. Nice. Turned out really well.